Evening, guys. Should I say good Saturday morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Um, yeah, just an update on the subscriber build. Uh, yeah, what I have done off screen is I have added the carburetors in gold. I've chromed out the fan casing and the pumps at the back. Also did some little details on the fan. Oh, and I found the fan. Yeah, we found the fan. Added some pipes, water pipes, hoses, and that is it so far. As you guys can probably hear, I have got some really heavy storm going on and weather, so due to that the power could go off any time. It has been going off constantly, intermittently, with the thunder going and lightning strikes. So I will be shifting the live build over to Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10 p.m. my time, which is probably most from any time from 1 p.m. you guys in the West, and about 9 p.m. for the guys in the UK and Europe and their so forth. Yeah, vamp out, and I'll see you guys again later. Oh, and a birthday shout out to Terry at Smooth Dungeon and Smooth Industries. Happy birthday, Terry, mate. Hope you have a good one. See you later on.